Hello everyone, this is Philip from Sharing Automotive Repairs. Today I'm working on 2008 Scion XB, as in boy. And I've had a problem with the clutch master cylinder. And boy, let me tell you, this thing is uncomfortable as heck. You have to remove all that plastic, the wipers, the plastic cowl, the air intake, filter housing, the duct for the air intake. It goes right in that hole in there. Tools you need: 10mm socket, extension, ratchet, 3/8, 10mm open wrench so you can loosen the line. This is the hose. The hose goes from the top of the clutch master cylinder all the way to this end on the brake master cylinder. I have it capped off so I don't lose all the brake fluid. And in order to get to this clamp, because it's facing upwards and you have no room to put in a pliers or whatever, and I don't have that special tool that I'm not even sure if it fits also, that has this wire, long wire, and you just connect the tip of that tool here, and then you press the pliers and it'll loosen this. I'm not even sure if it fits there, to be honest. So there's so little room. So what I did is I grabbed the vice grip, hooked this to the vice grip, and what I did is I pulled, let's say for example, I pulled on the end, on one end of the clamp. I catched it right here. And I was able to move it this way, because once you pull it this way, it opens. And I was able to move it this way. Then I was able to put these angle pliers that I have there, and I was able to pull it back. But it's still really uncomfortable, man. I wasn't even sure. I did not want to remove the brake master cylinder and the brake booster in order to get that thing out. So I got it out. You know, I think the hardest part is going to be connecting the line, because there is a metal line that goes connected on top right here. So I hope I can get my hand in there through underneath the pump right here and see if I can connect that line. You have to remove this section right here from the shaft, and where the brake pedal is, goes to the clutch pedal. You remove the pin out of here. You remove the spring of the clutch pedal. Then you loosen up, this is a 12mm, loosen up this nut, and then you start backing out this so you can get it out. That way you can remove the part out. But you know, if you don't remove this, there's no way. It's not going to give you much room to remove it with this installed. Then what you do is you just make your adjustments once you install it down there in the pedal. It has two nuts, two 12mm nuts on each end inside the vehicle. So yeah, man. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bleed it from down here from the slave cylinder. I'm going to the fitting where you can bleed it. There should be a fitting here. Yeah, here it is down there. Down there is that bleeder. So I'm going to hook up the bleeder there, and I'm just going to start using that vacuum pump that I have there. Get the air out of the system and make sure that the system is bled. But yeah, man, it is a really uncomfortable job. Thank you. Hope this helps.